Good morning guys! Flex ko yung aking mekos breakfast. Ayan, tag-iisa namin ni Lolo na egg, corn, saka steam egg. Lagyan natin siya ng sauce. Ayan, ang aming breakfast ni Lolo for today. With steam, yan. Marami kaming breakfast ni Lolo kasi gutom ako guys. Hindi ako nag-dinner kagabi. Ayan. Yan, healthy breakfast for today. Flex ko lang. Ito naman yung potato, sliced potato. Masarap to guys, healthy breakfast. Alam nyo ba ay kumain kayo ng ganito ay para kayo kumain ng rice. Healthy, carbohydrates. Yan. Ito ay masustansyang food. Nagbibigay sa atin ng lakas, vitamin, pangpaganda, at less cholesterol. Ayan. Healthy breakfast for today. Flex ko lang po. Ang sarap guys. Ang dami kong breakfast today. Ginutong kasi ako guys kasi hindi ako nag-dinner kagabi. Ayan. Ito yung egg. Binoiled ko lang siya guys. Ito yung binili kong corn. Sobrang sarap. Ayan. Healthy breakfast for today. Enjoy aming breakfast na aking grandpa boss. Yan. Masarap to guys. Alam nyo ba ay napakasarap yan. Yan. Lagyan natin siya ng sauce. Yan. Para masarap. O, diba? Yan. Thank you for watching. Have a great Sunday. Ingat po kayong lahat. God bless po. My mekos breakfast. I wanna flex ang aking breakfast for today. Sobrang sarap and healthy breakfast. Thank you for watching. God bless. Ingat po kayong lahat. Ayan.